In this video, I'm going to talk about how to merge two documents in Google Docs. And if you wanted to merge two documents over here like this, if you have in this, you wanted to merge, for example, let's say this and this together, then how we can do this in the simplest way. So let me directly get into it. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to follow the instructions. So you have to go over here to the Google Chrome, make sure that you're signed in. And over here, you have to click on this one, and from here, you need to navigate to the drive. So when you drive or navigate to the drive, that will take you to this. And from here, what you need to do is you can see there is a gear icon that calls settings, in which you have to click on this. And from here, click on the settings save once again. Now from here, what you need to do is you can see over here, there is an option called manage apps, in which you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is click on connect more apps. Now that is going to take you to another page like this. From here, it's actually kind of like a marketplace for the Google Workspace. And over here in the search, we need to type for merge like this. When you search for merge, and if you press enter, you can see you'll be having lots of various options here. Now from here, what you need to do is if you scroll it down, you can see there is an option called merge Google Documents. And this is what we need to select it. So we have to click on this. Now click on install button here and just go for continue. And right now it might ask you for sign in with your email ID and give all kind of permissions. Make sure that you put a check on select all, and you have to scroll it down and click on continue here. And just wait. And once done, you have to close this and just go for OK. And as you can see, you can close this and make sure this is being done. And right here, as you can see, that is installed on my device. Now once afterwards, you have to go back to the drive. And now, for example, we need to select the file that you wanted to make it merge. For example, let me say I wanted to do this. I have to click on this. Now from here, what I need to do is when I click on this, there is an option with open with, where you have to go over here. And once you click on open with, make sure that you have to click on connect more apps. Now over here, what you need to do is you have to search for, once again, for the merge. Make sure that you have to either, I'll do one thing, make sure that you have to just refresh it as well. Once it is refreshed successfully, make sure after adding this, you'll be able to find the app that is being added here. Once done, you can just go over here. Now, for example, click on the three-dot menu and now go to open with. Now, as you can see, it is visible. So click on merge Google document. Now that is going to take me to another page like this. Now from here, as you can see, I have to click on merge documents spreadsheet. I have to click on this. Now I need to select the file. So over here you can see I need to select the file from the Google Drive. So I'll select this. Now from here, select the file that you wanted to add. So I'll do one thing randomly. I'm selecting this, adding it over here like this. Once I add it, it is done. Now I need to merge with two. I can only do the merging if I'm having two files. So I'll click on this once again. And I'll go over here. I'll click on this one and I'll go to the select. Now once you select it, as you can see, two files are added. Now what you need to do is just click on merge documents. Now as you can see, just wait. Now it is getting logging. Right now, as you can see, it's starting process. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Now once done with this, as you can see, after it is successfully done, it might take a little bit of time. As you can see, we got a message. The merged documents is stored in the Google Drive. File successfully saved. So click on the view. When you click on this, the two files which I merged right now is over here like this. Right now, as you can see, those kind of things is completely merged, and this is how we can find it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.